coming into the beverage industry with a Cartoner to add to our portfolio with ProMock canning solutions. We want to make sure that we can be a small piece to the overall arcing solution of our ProMock canning solutions to our end users. We want to give our end users this ability that they can come to a one-stop shop and have everything taken care of for them, so they're not having to manage everybody. We take care of that, so that way it's easy on the customer. And then from there, then now you have robust, solid, performance-oriented equipment that's on a line that's going to take care and run at high efficiency rates and get that output that is being desired.
Serpa guarantees 98% uptime because we're confident in our design, our component selections, and we're confident in what we do.
The FM150, it was the next piece in the puzzle that needed to be completed to give ProMock a complete can solution. So the FM was created from our baseline of our P150 and our P100, where we have balcony machinery, easy maintenance, fall-through design to allow us to have those great qualities of equipment from changeover and maintenance access.
The changeover for this model is quite simple. Very few points. We try to eliminate changeover points and change parts as well, but also having the access, extremely good access to those points also helps them change it faster as well. Changeover can be as fast as 1 minute, depending on the range of size. If it's a really large carton versus smaller, but it probably max, I would say, probably 5 minutes would be the top.
So on the FM150, cans would come in. We go onto our in-feed conveyor with a side transfer, so that way there's no dead plates to go across. Then with our conveyance there, we can flood feed in to lane out the products so that they're in their dedicated lanes. We also have a recirculating feature on there, so that way there's no back pressure that's getting built up, and that way the conveyor can continue to move smoothly through the process. Once the cans are set into their direct lanes, they'll go down, group them, create a little separation. Carton gets erected with our Serpa carton erector and pre-brake. Helps assist opening the carton when it's going down into the flight lugs, and then push and load the product into the carton. And then we advance through. We have 2 stations for glue to do all of the proper folding and gluing sequence, and then out the machine. So the build quality of the FM150 follows just like any other Serpa piece of equipment. It's always over-designed because we don't want to have the maintenance problems. These machines are built like tanks. They're meant to run 24/7. They want to have that durability to just run. We don't want you to have to think about this when you go home at night. We just want it to be sitting there and just doing its job. So we can go from can filling all the way down to palletizing with many different divisions within ProMock. And so we were kind of that last cog to fit in by adding a cartoning solution to that overall line solution.
When you buy an FM150, you're not just buying a Cartoner, you're buying Serpa's quality and service.